Well, I'm out in the country, got moved to the lake, and as you can see, everybody knows that the rain follows me wherever I go. It's coming down bad. Yeah, buddy. Got the bicycles on the porch. There's Austin. It's 3 o'clock in the morning. Ooh, look at Granny's table. It blew so hard. Got my picnic table. Yeah, the rain follows me, baby. I know y'all are getting a lot of rain back in Fort Worth yesterday, and I understand. My girl's out there getting wet. Yeah, I almost loaded up on the bike last night and headed to bike night over the ice, over the, no, I still call it the ice house. Over at Kevin's, over at Fuel. Good thing I didn't, because I would be driving home in this shit about right now at 3:15 in the morning. I love it out here though. Glad I made the move. I hope I don't get bored. Alright, y'all have a good night. I was just going to show you the storm. Seems it's sitting right over the top of me. You can see that lightning. What a storm. Alright, y'all get some sleep. Good night.